Late this afternoon, Governor Andy Beshear signed an executive order declaring a state of emergency just hours before thousands of Kentuckians could see their SNAP benefits run out. The executive order also directs $5 million from the Budget Reserve Trust Fund to feed Kentucky food banks.
And it comes as two federal judges said the Trump administration must tap into contingency funds to make payments to cover SNAP benefits during the government shutdown. The administration had argued those contingency funds are not legally available to cover the benefits. Kentucky was one of more than 24 states to challenge the administration.
Donald Trump can just say the word, and we can make sure that folks in America do not go hungry. But because the federal government has waited so long, even though one of their agencies said they could have done this a long time ago, there's at least going to be delays in people getting their benefits.
It is unclear how long it could take for families to see their benefits released. And there's another key deadline this weekend. More than 20 million people could face higher health insurance premiums when open enrollment begins under the Affordable Care Act. Prices are expected to rise by as much as 114%.
A Woodford County food pantry is bracing for a surge of families as federal food assistance is expected to at least temporarily stop tomorrow.
But they need donations. WKYT's Madison Porter shows us how local leaders there are responding.
Nearly 1,600 people in Woodford County alone rely on SNAP benefits. Those families must now turn to food pantries until federal funding returns. The health department is participating in a food drive to help stock the shelves until that happens.
We have the same needs that every other community in Kentucky have, but we're just going about addressing this need in a hopefully positively and beneficial way.
Health Director Cassie Prather says before the funding concerns, the food pantry for Woodford County already had more activity this fall compared to previous years. She says there are many other families who don't qualify for SNAP but still need help.
It's nice to have a place that no matter what culture or anything like that, you're going to be served no matter what if you're hungry.
Along with the health department, other Woodford agencies are also pushing this food drive. Drew Chandler says the county-wide effort is to avoid a county-wide emergency.
Bringing those stakeholders together helped us better understand what the overlap was so that we could try and address any gaps in coverage for these folks.
He says the food pantry already has the logistics to distribute food to those in need before the municipal government has to step in.
The county and the cities are in a position where we could order food, but the best thing we can do right now is to make sure the food pantry continues with their mission.
In Woodford County, Madison Porter, WKYT.
And any donation, including monetary donations, should be dropped off at the Woodford County Food Pantry on either Monday or Thursday. And we have more information on WKYT.com and our WKYT News app.
Well, if you